Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen, Kusina ni Endayin. Today I am going to show you how to make my chicken biryani. Now, I have a lot of different types of ingredients for chicken biryani. I have fresh ginger here, red tomatoes, white onions, garlic, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, cloves. I've got coriander seeds crushed. I have star anise, and I prefer to use dried chilies than fresh chilies. I have cumin powder, some paprika, and turmeric, salt, and yogurt. So let's get started, guys. Now I have the basmati rice here too, the long grain one, for especially for biryani, and my fresh chicken meat. Now you just have to cut all the spices along here. So onion is done. Next is ginger. Ginger, I just cut them into like this thin pieces. And then garlic. And tomato. I'm gonna heat the pan, and I'm going to put the dry ingredients first. All these will go in. So we can get the aromatic smell of the spices. This is the reason why I'm doing it here. When it's ready, we can put the oil. Biryani needs quite a bit of oil. And then we will add onions, ginger, and the garlic. And I'm going to add the fresh tomatoes. Then put the paprika, a bit of cumin, and then we will add the chicken. Smells good. And I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, some salt. I've got 2 tablespoons of yogurt here. It's time for the rice to go into a pan, and we've got 2 cups of rice here. In 2 cups of rice, I'll have to put 3 cups of water. So what we are going to do is to cover it with foil and the pot cover. So I'm just gonna cover it with foil. And then the pot cover. We will wait until it boiled, and we will check it later. Now I'm going to fry some nuts and raisins. I'll just fry a bit of it, and anyway, it's there already. This will just go for toppings. If you just want to put some on the rice, it's up to you. If you don't like raisins, you can just put nuts and, you know, coriander leaves. But because I love the sweetness of raisins in the rice, that's why I'm doing this. So that's it really. We're going to transfer here to drain. I'll cut some almond flakes. I'm just gonna put a bit. Just make it like a golden brown, and then it's ready. Already I have some crispy onions as well here. Let us check first. Just check once. Ooh, it's actually looking good. Yep, we are getting there. So guys, let's go back and check the biryani. Oops, looks inviting. Looks yummy. Oh my god, it looks scrumptious, guys. So because this is ready, we're going to transfer it in a big fat bowl. So I'm transferring the rice now. Guys, the worst thing you do is breaking the rice, you know. You have to be very careful with rice. The way how you take it out from the pot, make sure that the long grain is still there. That's mistake when you break the rice grain. Give an extra care. Put some chicken on top. Now I have full toppings. I have the crispy onions, raisins, and the almond flakes. Also, I have some boiled eggs. Now I'm putting the boiled eggs here. Guys, if you can make your eggs like this a bit runny, would be great for biryani. You know, it really melts on the mouth when you eat this with this running egg. Oh my god, it's so delicious. If you can, then you can just do hard-boiled egg. And then I'm putting some coriander leaves. Raisins. And then the almonds flakes. And my special crispy onions. So guys, this is my chicken biryani. Hope you like this video, guys. Now let's try and have some full big spoon in my mouth. Oh my god. It's spicy. Just spice that is just heat. And then, the toppings are, there's crispy onions are really crispy and sweet. Everything is just, the combinations are really good. So guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye guys, take care, bye.